Life in the Khowai subdivision was thrown into complete disarray on Sunday as locals staged a massive road blockade for over 8 hours. The protest sparked by police detention following the TTAADC election turned the area into a virtual battlefield before finally being lifted at 6 p.m. The unrest began around 10 a.m. today when hundreds of local residents blocked two major national highways passing through the Khowai subdivision. The protesters claimed that the individuals detained by the police are completely innocent and demanded that their immediate and unconditional release. The roadblock in Khowai, Belfang and Behalabari was lifted at 6 p.m. evening as of today, considering the festive season of Gauriya Puja and other religious activities in coming days. Listen to what the newly elected MLA James Deborma said.
Sini press media soknom like ya hambai maro norok ni bising te sing sini je kok sajak nai awai mung klaima man bagai no tini sing morning 10 am ni simi Belfang ni je o jaga barricade points sini 12 Ramchandra constituent sini ngai nai kaisa route blockade khlaijak route blockade klaimani karon obono mia horo je tongkasang tongui tongnai sini party ni active Khorang warriors borong benang Khoni Ranjan Deborma bono without any warrant, without any evidence bono romui custody hotlang jakha boni bagino singtini route blockade mang khaika sudo omsuk simia o 12 Ramchandra Ghat constituency no karibo halahali asrambari constituency bo Sanjeev Deborma mungisini borom ganang no boro grabter khlaika tini je BJP tongkasang tongui tongnai lukurok no haino ereng without any evidence, without any warrant je romui tongmarok no sing sajak yangai condemn khlai ninda khlai tini sungo jaga route blockade khlaika tai police procession ni je top level stock we sing kok salaikya je aino khlaijak nai tongmani singabo joton khlaikya tabo matter court haisi sing jehitu Gauriya bo ngjak boni bagi sing 2 din gap ruinai taisa haino hai sini je khlaijaknai je sing kokti sajaknai obono taisa singti safinai borok boto suna assurance rei tong police procession ni hoite je borok singbe cooperate khaino samung khlaine hinai sing obono koinani musungu je BJP sarkar no state government no tongnai rokno police procession yagoti tongnai rokno oba haike ereng tongkusang tongui tongnai lukurokno hota sata khaidi oba haike ereng tarom di haisi engkai je tongkusang tongui tongnai lukurok baidyo ongnai oboni setebo birhortam andolono nongkhornani buskangni salo haisi tini sing sudu matro demonstration haike route blockade khaikya morning 10 ni simi sing 6 pm jora sinobo tongnai judi koyekdini bisingo sini borong benang Khoni Ranjan Deborma no yakariya khai tai borong benang sini Sanjeev Deborma no yakariya khai I think buskangni salo government of Tripura je chalogui tongnai BJP sarkar borok krak jawab jantani bisingtei mannai haisi tai oboni dai totally responsibility borok ni thani no thangnai karon borok ni yago se police procession everything police procession no proyog khaiye use khaiye tini jebabe lukurokno torture khai tongo abo unacceptable haisi aboni bagi sing borok na appeal khainani musungo singbo peace nayo tong thoksa thok boyar nayo hamjak laimung bai sing obono ma tongnai haisi judi obo haing khangkai buskangni salo taibongna haisi tini ani gana o tongui tongo sini honorable MLA sir Ranjit Deborma sini honorable EM sini sir Suhel Deborma tai sini borom ganang sini Khoni Ranjan Deborma ni wife tai bini sajak borok ni mokolobo nor nugui khana mukti borok bo khana haino a jagao je jagao botong a jaga thangi nainai tai joto kisu sing je khlainai tong khlaijaknai tongmani sini party ni torof theke sing khlainai haisi
road block taisai sunoti road block tongmani tabo to sarikingka toita sampingka tabo rasta road block tongmani abo khulogoi rijaka tabo all types of vehicle gari kotor chikon jetu flow klaimano tabo kuno issue kori kuno kirina kori kampino road khulogoi rijaka issue tongmani abo court ni tini jetu Sunday kaisa technical issue tongmani abo court order khlaikya next day to borong janok jakha borok kabani bage order timing tini ni bage abo doto borok yasaginaka abo future borok tam khani abo borok accident tonane tini bagi tini se jara jotono clear borok tini bagi khulogoi rijak ni saklai jak.
Reported by Biplav from Khowai, Chini, Khorang.